Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change language in Assassin's Creed Shadows. Alright, let's begin. To start, open the menu by pressing Escape, then go to Options. From there, navigate to the Audio settings and scroll down to the Voice Language option. Here, you can select any available language you prefer. If you want to enable Immersion Mode, simply toggle the option in the same menu. This feature changes all character voices to the original Japanese or Portuguese audio, giving a more authentic experience. Next, if you also want to change the text language, go to the Interface settings. Look for text language and choose your desired language from the list. This will change all menus, subtitles, and in-game text to the selected language. After making these changes, the game may require you to download additional language files or restart the game to apply the new settings properly. Make sure to allow any required downloads to ensure that your new languages are fully functional. So that's basically how you can change language in Assassin's Creed Shadows. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.